To complete your online registration for District 211 high schools, you need to start by entering your Infinite Campus credentials, your username, and your password. Next, hit Login. At this point, any of your students should be available. You can choose your student by clicking the plus sign next to their name and then clicking Register Now. If there is an outstanding obligation, you will see that immediately in the first screen. Otherwise, you will see registration information of your student's school. If you have questions, you should contact the number listed. The first page that you come to is Health Conditions and Medication Administration. Please be sure to read this completely and to answer the questions as you need to. Hit Next. Next, you select the box that you can be contacted for emergency communication and that this information is part of your student's permanent record. Hit Next. Next is information about the iPad terms and conditions and information about the iPad purchase plan. Next is information about home internet access, whether you have it, whether you don't have it and you would like information about it, or whether you don't have it and you do not want to be contacted. Hit Next. You can provide your child's cell phone number in order for urgent communication to be sent to them. Then you would select whether or not a parent or guardian of your child is a member of the branch of an armed forces of the United States. And then there is the normal publicity release. And then a question about whether you want your contact information to be shared with the school's booster club or the district's foundation. Hit Next. Depending on which class your students are in, you may be asked other questions. For example, freshmen will be asked about the Harper Promise Scholarship Program. Juniors and seniors will be asked about off-campus privileges, and seniors about transcripts. Go ahead and answer those and hit Next. Then you'll come up to a page where you will see your name and the date, and you click the box next to your name as your electronic signature and hit Next. And then at this point you can review your information, and then you have two options. You can click Submit and proceed to My School Bucks, which will open a new window with the My School Bucks screen. This is where you can purchase things such as iPad insurance, yearbooks, and Booster Club memberships. Student fees will be invoiced in August and will be due by September 15th. If you do not wish to purchase any of those optional things, you can just hit Submit. Otherwise, hit Submit and proceed to My School Bucks. You can create your own account if you don't already have one. If you have any questions, please remember to contact your child's school's Student Services Department for more information. Thank you.